Symmetry, a design where both sides look the same when divided. Tiles, many tile patterns mirror each other and create balanced
Shapes that
designs.
repeat and fit together
Tessellation,
without any gaps.
treehouse stairs. The stairs repeat in a connected pattern similar to tessellating shapes. Fractals, patterns that repeat themselves at different sizes or scales. Graphic design. Designers often use repeating shapes or spirals that show fractal
An ordered
patterns.
pattern that follows a specific rule or
Sequence
progression.
Tiles are arranged in a repeating order,
tiles.
forming a clear sequence. Dots. Repeated points arranged to create a pattern or texture. Polka dot shirt. The shirt uses evenly spaced dots to form a uniform design. Branching patterns. A pattern that spreads out from a main part into smaller branches. Trees, flowers, snake plants. These naturally grow in branching structures from a central stem.